How to make stickers on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create or make stickers on Discord. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, type in discord.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it. After that, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here at the top right, you will be able to locate login or open Discord button. Simply click on it and then log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here, from the left side, you'll need to choose your server. Click on your server, and once you open the server, here again click on the server name at the top left. From there, you'll be able to see this menu. From this menu, you will need to select server settings. Once you click on server settings, this will open the settings page. Here, from the left side, make sure to select the stickers option. By selecting the stickers option, you will be presented with this screen. Here it says that stickers can be static or animated, and it must be exactly 320 by 320 pixels and no larger than 512 kb. The stickers will be automatically resized into static PNG, animated GIF stickers, and animated GIF stickers. Here, each server have the limited number of stickers based on the boost level. By default or the free, you will be able to add 5 slots here. Simply click on the upload sticker button at the right side, and then now in this pop-up, you will need to click on this browse button right here and then select the photo from your device. Once selected, now you will need to add a related emoji. Click on the emoji text box right here and select the emoji. After that, scroll a bit down and then enter the name of the sticker. Optionally, you can also add a short description about your sticker. After that, you can click on this upload button right here. By doing so, you'll be able to create the sticker here. Once after creating the sticker, click on this ESC or the cross icon at the top right and then return back to this page. And now here in this page, at the right side, you'll be able to see the sticker icon. Simply click on it and then there you'll be able to see the sticker that you have created. Simply click on the sticker to send it. So, by following these steps, you should be able to make or create stickers on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.